Welcome to the digital online classes. I have solved a number of questions in differentiation. I am Dr. Abdul Hai. So today I will discuss some of the questions which was asked in the previous examinations. For example, in last year 2021, one question was asked. So there are two or three questions will be asked from the differentiation chapter. So I'll discuss those questions one by one. Now write down first question. If x is equal to 5 into 1 minus 70 and y is equal to 5 into t plus cos t, then dx by dy is equal to, the options are first option is sin t minus 1 by cos t. Second option is cos t by sin t minus 2, sin t minus 1 is sin t minus 1, and third option is tan t by 2, and the fourth option is none. This was asked in 2021. Okay. Now come to the solution. The question itself shows that here we need the parametric differentiation because x is equal to some function of t, y equal to function of t is given. Therefore, we have to use the parametric differentiation. Okay. So directly I am writing derivative of x with respect to t, that is dx by dt is equal to 5 as it is. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of sin t is minus cos t. Similarly, dy by dt is equal to 5 as it is. Derivative of t is 1. Derivative of cos t is nothing but minus sin t. Isn't it? Therefore, what is dy by dx is equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? 5 into 1 minus sin t whole divided by 5 into minus cos t. You will see that 5 and 5 cancel from both numerator and denominator. So, which is gives me 1 minus sin t divided by minus cos t. This is the value of dy by dx. But I want dx by dy. Therefore, if I inverted this, I get cos t divided by, here 1 minus sin t is there. If I write the negative sign to the denominator, then this becomes sin t minus 1, which is my second option. Is it clear? So the answer is cos t by sin t minus 1. Okay. Now come to the next question. If fx is equal to cos square x divided by 1 plus sin square x, then find the value of f of pi by 4 minus 3 f dash pi by 4 is equal to. The options are 5 by 3, 11 by 3, 13 by 9, and the fourth option is 3. Okay. What is given? Fx is defined as cos square x by 1 plus sin square x. So we have to find the value of f of 5 by 4 minus 3 f dash 5 by 4. Okay. Now write down the solution. Here it is in the form of u by v. Therefore, differentiating the given function with respect to x, f dash x is equal to, it is in the form of u by v. So denominator into dc of numerator, that is minus 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Minus numerator, denominator into dc of numerator, minus, here I will do one thing before differentiating. This cos square x can also be written as 1 minus sin square x by 1 plus sin square x. To differentiating with respect to x, here fx can be written as, cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x divided by 1 plus sin square x. Okay. So denominator as it is 1 plus sin square x into derivative of numerator. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of minus sin square x is minus 2 sin x into derivative sin x is cos x minus numerator, that is 1 minus sin square x into derivative denominator. Derivative of 1 is 0. That is derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x into cos x whole divided by denominator whole square, that is 1 plus sin square x whole square is equal to, why I have converted in sin square x means it is easy for me to substitute the values. I want the value of f dash 5 by 4, right, and f of 5 by 4. Okay. So if I substitute, that is 5 by 4, put x is equal to 5 by 4, this becomes f dash of 5 by 4 is equal to 1 plus 5 by 4 is 45, sin 45, 1 by root 2. So it is square, so it is nothing but 1 by 2 into minus 2 into sin 45, 1 by root 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1. Minus 1 minus, again, sin 45, 1 by root 2, square is 1 by 2. Into 2 into sin 45, 1 by root 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2. That is 2 into 1. Whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Which gives me 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. These 2 to cancel. So minus 3 by 2. Minus times of 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. This 2 to cancel into 1. Whole divided by 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 2 is equal to whole square. It becomes 1 by 4. So this gives me minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Whole divided by 9 by 4. Or on simplifying, 4 goes to the numerator. It becomes minus of 8 by 9. So this is the value of f dash 5 by 4. Okay. Now I want f of 5 by 4 also. So if I substitute here f of x, what is f of x? 1 minus sin square x whole divided by 1 plus sin square x. If I substitute 5 by 4 here, so 1 minus 5 by 4, 45, 1 sin square 40, sin 45, 1 by root 2, that is 1 by 2, divided by 1 plus 1. 2 minus 1, 1, 1 plus 2 by 2 is 3 by 2. So which gives me 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. by 3 by 2. This is 1 by 2 by 3 by 2. So 2 cancel. 2 cancel, which gives me 1 by 3. Okay. Therefore, I am substituting in the result f of pi by 4 minus 3 f dash pi by 4. What is f of pi by 4? 1 by 3 minus 3 into f dash pi by 4 is nothing but minus 8 by 9. Minus into minus plus 8 by 9. So 1 by 3, 3 1 or 3 I cancel. So this become 8 by 3. 3 minus 3 times of question is minus 3 times of f of pi by 4. So f of pi by 4 is nothing but minus 8 by 9. So minus into minus plus 3 1 are 3 3 I cancel. So here 1 by 3 plus 8 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 8 by 3, which is equal to 8 plus 1, 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. Therefore, my answer is the fourth option. The derivative of log x power of sin x with respect to cos x at x is equal to pi by 2 is, the options are minus pi by 4, minus pi by 2, minus 2 by pi, and minus pi by 4. What is asking? Derivative of log power of sin x with respect to x with respect to cos x, right? So we have done this type of question in our IP, right? Now write down the solution. So what we have to do? We have to assign the first function as y, second function as x, differentiate this function with respect to x, differentiate this function with respect to x. So in the first case, I am getting dy by dx. In the second case, I am getting dz by dx. So therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dz, dy by dx by dz by dx. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the question. Now given, let y is equal to log x whole power of sin x. So we know that whenever it is given in terms of power, what we will do? We will apply the logarithm and simplify the question. So apply log on both sides. So this becomes log y is equal to log of log x power of sin x, right? So this becomes sin x into log of log x. Okay, by the formula log a power of m is equal to m log a. Now differentiating with respect to x, this becomes 1 by y into dy by dx, or we can write as dy by dx or y1, both are one the same. Okay, I will write dy by dx is equal to, it is in the form of ub. So first function into derivative of some log of something is 1 by that thing into derivative of this internal part, that is 1 by x, plus second function log of x into derivative of first function is cos x. Is it clear? Or y dy by dx, what he is asking at the point x is equal to pi by 2. So at the point x is equal to pi by 2, so this is nothing but 1 by log is there. Y is equal to log of sine pi by 4. This is equal to sine x, because I want to substitute the value of x equal to 90 degree. Therefore, it is sine 90. Sine 90 is equal to 1 into 1 by log of pi by 2 into this 1 by x is equal to pi by 2. So it will be inverted and become 2y into log x. What is x? Log of pi by 2 into cos 90. Cos 90 becomes 0. So this is 1 by y. If I substitute y is equal to here, x is equal to 90. Sin 90, 1. So log of pi by 2. So this is nothing but y is equal to 1 by log of pi by 2 into dy by dx. Is it clear? So this part becomes 0. Therefore, what is dy by dx? This log pi by 2 cancel from both sides. So I am getting dy by dx is equal to 2 by pi. Is it clear? Now, come to the second case. So let z is equal to cos x, differentiating with respect to x. This becomes dz by dx is equal to derivative cos x minus sin x. If I substitute x equal to 90 degree, that is minus sin 90, the answer is minus 1. Therefore, dy by dx by dz by dx is equal to 2 by pi with minus. So answer is minus 2 by pi. So which is the correct option? Third one. So minus 2 by pi is the correct option. Is it clear? Let f of x be differentiable. F x will be differentiable function for all x belongs to R, and here is defined a function f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y minus 3 of xy. Okay, and if limit h tending to 0, fh by h, this is also defined in the problem, fh by h is equal to 7, then we have to find the value of f dash x is equal to. Okay, now the answers are, the first option is minus 3x plus 7, second option is 3x minus 7, third option is 3x plus 7, fourth option is minus 7 minus 3x. Okay, I think the question is very clear. What he says, here is defined function f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y minus 3xy, and also he defined the value of limit h tending to 0, f of h by h is equal to 7. Wherever f by h comes, you have to substitute the value as 7. So I have to find the value of f dash x. So you may recall that the first principle of differentiation. So by the first principle of differentiation, all of you know this formula. We have solved a number of questions on this by the first principle of differentiation, by the first principle of differentiation. F dash x is equal to limit h tending to 0 f of x plus h minus f of h whole divided by h. Okay, so limit h tending to 0 as it is. In place of f of x plus h minus f of x plus h, I can write as f of x plus f of h minus of 3xh. 3xh. What I am doing in the given function, what is the given function? This is f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y minus a. In place of this, I am substituting wherever y is there, I am substituting h. So this becomes f of x plus h, which becomes f of x plus f of x minus 3xh. Okay, minus time f of x as it is whole divided by h. Now you see that minus f of x plus f of x cancel. So if I simplify this, limit h tending to 0, f h by h is by one term minus limit h tending to 0, 3xh by h another term. So here he has defined that f h by h is equal to nothing but 7. So this becomes 7 minus this h cancel. So there is no h remain. It is only minus 3x. So the answer is 7 minus 3x. So 7 minus 3x. So my option is the first option. Is it clear? So this question was also asked in 2021 in some another section. Okay. So today I am discussing all the questions related to previous examination. So you go and practice this. The parametric differentiation. If x is equal to a into 1 minus 20 and y is equal to a into 1 minus cos t. Then he is asking the value of d2y by dx square is equal to. The options are, now what is asking, x is a function of t, y is a function of t. He is asking the value of d2y by dx square. d2y by dx square. The options are, the first option is 1 divided by 4a sin power of 4 into t. Second option is 1 divided by 4a sin power of 4 t. Third option is 1 divided by 4a cos power of 4 into t. And the last option is minus 1 divided by 4a cos power of 4 into t. Now come to the solution. This is also asked in 2021. So you know that this is a parametric differentiation. The formula is dy by dx is equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. Is it clear? Now on differentiating with respect to x, we get on differentiating with respect to t, dx by dt is equal to a as it is, derivative of 1 is 0. One question is, sorry, a into t minus nt, 1 minus cos t. Sorry, this is nothing but not 1, but it is t minus nt. Okay. Now a will remain as it is. Derivative t is 1 minus derivative of sin t is cos t. Similarly, dy by dt is equal to a will remain as it is. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t. So it becomes plus sin t. Therefore, what is my dy by dx? Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt whole divided by dA by dt. What is dy by dt? A sin t divided by a into 1 minus cos t. So a cancel, which gives me sin t divided by 1 minus cos t. So this is the first derivative. But he has the second derivative. So I am differentiating again. So this becomes d2y by dx square is equal to denominator 1 minus cos t into derivative of sin t is cos t. We are differentiating with respect to x, but it is in terms of t. So you have to multiply with dt by dx minus numerator. What is numerator? Sin t into derivative of denominator. Derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of cos t is minus sin t, minus into minus plus sin t. Okay? Into again dt by dx. Whole divided by denominator whole square, that is 1 minus cos t whole square. Is it clear? Is equal to, now I am simplifying cos t into 1 cos t. Cos t into cos t is cos square t into dt by dx. Right? Minus sin square t minus sin square t. Dt by dx, if I take out common, this will become dt by dx whole divided by 1 minus cos t whole square. 1 minus cos t whole square. So you may see that cos square t minus sin square t. If I take out minus common, so cos square t minus sin square t is nothing but cos square eta plus sin square eta is become 1. So this is 1 minus cos t. So this become minus of 1 minus cos t whole divided by, this is 1 minus cos t whole square into the value of dt by dx is nothing but a into 1 minus cos t. So 1 minus cos t, 1 minus cos t again cancel from both numerator and denominator. So which gives me minus 1 whole divided by a into 1 minus cos t whole square. Is it clear? So if I convert this cos t into in terms of some multiple, that is 1 minus cos t is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, so that this plus 1 and minus 1 cancel, and on simplifying I am getting the answer as, that is 4 a sin power of 4 t by 2, because here it is square, so it is 2 sin square t by 2 become 4 sin power of 4 t by 2. Therefore my answer is which option? Second option, right? Very good. So second option is the correct option. Okay. So minus 1 by 4a sin power of 4t from 2021, if y is equal to cos inverse tan hx. plus sine hyperbolic into sine 6x. Then dy by dx is equal to, right? The options are so lengthy here, but I have to write so that it will be a clear picture to you. The first option is minus 1 divided by cos hx plus 6 cos 6x into cos of sin 6x. Second option is 1 by cos hx minus 6 cos 6x into cos of sin 6x. Third option is minus 1 by cos hx minus 6 cos 6x into cos sin 6x. And the fourth option is 1 by cos hx plus 6 cos 6x into cos of sin 6x. Okay, no doubt the options are very easy, but we have to write. Now come to the solution. This also asked in 2021 in some another batch. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx, derivative cos inverse x, 1 by 1 minus x square. Okay, so here nothing but 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 minus sin square x. So this become tan h square x minus 1 into derivative of tan hx is x square hx, which become 1 minus tan h square hx. Okay, I am just reducing one step. Plus derivative of sin hx is cos hx, so cos into x, that is sin 6x, into derivative of sin 6x is cos 6x into derivative of 6x is 6. Is it clear? Now you may see that a by root a, if I take out negative sign common, a by root a is root a, and also this tan square hx 1 minus tan square is sec square hx. Sec square become sec square hx become 1 by cos square hx. So on simplifying, and you get this answer as 1 by 1 minus cos hx. Is it clear? Plus now 6 will be remain as it is. Now I am writing this cos 6x first into cos of sin 6x. So you see that this is the first option. Is it clear? So this first option is clear. So I have shortcut the formula that is a by root a is equal to root a. I have used here a by root a is equal to root a. So one step is reduced, right? Also you know that sec square eta minus sin square eta is equal to 1. So that step also I have not taken, right? If y is equal to x power of root x, then dy by dx is equal to, the first option is ln x by 2. Second option is x power of root x whole divided by root x. Third option is y ln x by 2 root x. And the fourth option is y ln x plus 2 divided by 2. So, what is this? Natural logarithm. So, instead of log, he has written 11. So, don't confuse by seeing this. Now, write down the solution. This is also in 2021. Given y is equal to x root x. So, you know that whenever the power is there, just now we have solved this question, we have to apply logarithm. So, apply log on both sides. So, this become log of y is equal to log of x root x, which gives me root x into log. Okay. Now, differentiating with respect to x, derivative of log y is equal to into dy by dx is equal to, now it is in the form of uv, first function, into derivative of second derivative log x is 1 by x, plus second function log x into derivative of first derivative root x is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. Is it clear? Now, this is nothing but dy by dx is equal to, y will be equal to this side, root x by x is nothing but 1 by root x. Is it clear? Root x by x is equal to 1 by root x. So, if I take the LCM with x and 2 root x, okay, x is equal to root x into root x. Okay, so already in the LCM is 2x. Is it clear? So already x can be root x into root x. This 2 root x come inside. So this gives me 2 root x plus 2 root x cancel. So one x will be there. So this is the root of x into log x. Or if I take out root x common, y into root x common, what is inside? 2 plus log x by 2x, or again root x by x can be written as 1 by root x. Therefore, y into 2 plus log x by 2 root x. Y plus 2 log x by 2 log x. 2 root x. So, which is my correct option? That is the fourth one. If f of x is equal to x cube plus x, x plus 1, x minus 2, 2x cube plus 3x minus 1, 3x minus 3, x cube plus 2x plus 3, 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. If fx is equal to this determinant, then dy by dx of f of x is equal to. So, now options are, first option is 24, second option is 0, third option is minus 6, and the fourth option is 12. Now, you see this is a question of matrices plus derivative. So, we are applying matrices in the derivative. Okay. Now, come to the solution. You may recall that we have done the row column transformation in matrices That is R1 becomes R1 minus R2, R2 becomes R2 minus R3, and so on. So here also I have to apply the same technique so that the determinant, first of all, I want to simplify the determinant in such a way that it is easy for me for the differentiate part. So I am applying the row column transformation, right? So apply, you have to apply in such a way that it must simplify. R1 becomes R1 plus R3 minus R. See what result we can get this. So f of x equal, if I apply x cube plus x plus x cube plus 2x plus 3 minus this. So x cube plus x cube, 2x cube, which is cancelled, right? X plus 2x, 3x, which is cancelled. So 3 minus 1, minus become plus, so it becomes 4. Okay. Similarly, x plus 2x, 3x, 3x minus 3x, 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is again 0. Right? Very good. We are getting the result. So it can be simplified easily. Now x plus 2x, 3x, 3x minus 3 is 0. Right? So minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, this becomes plus 3. So it is also 0. So if the first row vanishes, almost only one element is there. So it is easy for us to find the determinant. Okay. So this is 2x cube plus 3x minus 1. This is 3x. This is 3x minus. This is also as it is x cube plus 2x plus 3. This is 2x minus 1. This is also 2x minus 1. Now, if I apply the determinant, what happened? This is equal to 4 into first row first column, that is 3 to the 6x square, right? 3 to the 6x square minus 3x, okay? Minus time of 3x minus 3 into 2x minus 1, right? So 3 to the 6x square, 3x into 1 minus 3x become plus 3x. Again, minus 3 into 2 minus 6x become plus 6x. Minus 3 into minus 1 minus plus into minus. So which gives me this cancel, this cancel, which gives me 6x minus 3. So 4 times into 6x minus 3. So my question is reduces to a very simple form. So now if I differentiate with respect to x. So what is my f dash x? This is 4 as it is. Derivative of x is 1 into 6. Derivative of 3 is 0. So 4 6 are 24. Right. So I got the answer. So my answer is, that is the first option, 24. F and G are two differentiable functions satisfying g dash phi is equal to 3 by 4, g of 5 is equal to 6, and g is equal to f inverse is also given. Then f dash x is equal to, the options are, first option is 1 by 2, second option is 1 by 6, third answer is 2 by 3, fourth option is 4 by Now come to the solution. We is also in 2021 examination. Now you see that here he is involving the functions. So you must be perfect in functions also. Very simple function. Only he has used the composite function. Okay. Now what is given? What is given? G dash phi is defined as something, and G of phi is also defined as something. And one condition G is equal to F inverse given. So we have to find the value of F dash x. Okay. Now, as he has given the value of G is equal to F inverse, so with this given G is equal to F inverse, so with this we can write as G of x equal to F inverse. Okay, is it true? Right. Or with this, if I transfer f to this side, what will be f of G of x is equal to x. Right? Now, if I differentiate this with respect to x, derivative of f of x is f dash x. F dash of G of x is this. Into the internal derivative of G of x is d dash x. Equal to derivative of x is 1. Right? Therefore, what is the value of f dash of G of x? Is equal to 1 by d dash x. Is it true? Now, if I substitute x equal to 5, what I am getting? F dash of G of 5 is equal to 1 by G dash of 5 is equal to, what is G dash of 5? Is nothing but 3 by 4. So, now what is G of 5? G of 5 is 6. So, this can be written as f of G of 5 is equal to 6. Basically, what he is asking? F dash x. So, I come to the conclusion that this is nothing but 4 by 3. Is it clear? So, the answer of f dash of 6 is nothing but 4 by 3. So, fourth option. Is it clear? This is also asked in 2021. If y is equal to x plus tan x, then cos square x into d2y by dx square plus 2x is equal to, the options are minus 2y. Second option is 2 by 3y. Third option is 3y. Fourth option is, okay. Now come to the solution. What is given? Y equal to x plus tan x. So here I want the second derivative. d2y by dx square is involving, so I want the second derivative. Okay. Now differentiating. This was asked in 2021 in some another section. Differentiating with respect to x, this become y1 is equal to derivative of 1 x is 1, derivative tan x is x square x. Is it clear? Now differentiating again, which gives me y2 is equal to derivative of 1 is become 0. Now it is nothing but sec square x. Sec square can be written as 2 sec x into the derivative of sec x is nothing but sec x into tan x. So which gives me 2 sec square x into tan x. Okay. Now basically I want the value of cos square x into d2y by d square. This cos square x into y2. Therefore cos square x into d2y by dx square plus 2x is equal to cos square x will remain as it is into the value of d2y by dx square. Just now I have simplified, which gives me 2 sec square x into tan x, right? Plus these 2x remain as it is. You may see that cos square and sec square is cancel, so which gives me 2 tan x plus 2x. If I take out 2 common, which gives me x plus tan x. But from equation 1, from equation 1, what is x plus tan x is equal to 2y. Therefore, what is my answer? The fourth option, that is 2y. Is it clear? So, see, the question answer is very simple. Only the thing is that you must have a concept. Then only you can do it. Okay? This was asking, again 2021, if y is equal to tan of cos inverse x, then dy by dx is equal to, the first option is minus x square by 1 minus x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square and minus 1 by x root 1 minus x square, and the fourth option is minus 1 by x square into 1 minus x square. Okay, now come to the solution. This is also in some another section, 2021. So what is given? Y is equal to tan of cos inverse x. So given y equal to tan of cos inverse. So differentiating with respect to x is given dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan x is sec square x, sec square into cos inverse x into derivative of cos inverse x is nothing but minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So sec square as it is, cos inverse x is nothing but sec inverse of 1 by x, right, into minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So sec of sec inverse x is nothing but 1 by x. Sec of sec inverse x is nothing but 1 by x square into minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, which gives me minus 1 by x square into root of 1 minus x square. So which option? Minus 1 by x square into root of 1 minus x square, that is the fourth option. Is it clear? So maximum questions we are covering from the previous examination papers. Write down one more question, then we come to the next chapter. If y is equal to 1 by x plus cos 2x, then d2y by dx square is equal to, the options are 2 by x cube plus 4y minus 4 by x, 4y minus 4 by x minus 2 by x. 2 by x cube plus 4 by x minus 4. And the fourth option is 4y minus 4 by x minus 1 by x. Okay. Now come to the solution. What is given? Y equal to 1 by x plus cos 2x. So we have to find the second derivative, right? So differentiating with respect to x, become y1 is equal to derivative 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Derivative of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x, right? So this is the first derivative. So differentiating again with respect to x. So derivative of y1 become y2. So derivative of minus 1 by x square become 2 by x cube minus derivative of sin 2x is nothing but cos 2x. 2 to the 4 cos 2x, right? So this is nothing but he has not asked the answer in terms of cos 2x, but he has asked in terms of y. So what I am doing, I am converting the value of cos 2x from this equation from 1 cos 2x is equal to y minus 1 by x. So this is nothing but 2 by x cube minus 4 into cos 2x equal to y minus 1 by x. Is it clear? So which gives me 2 by x cube minus into minus plus, that is 4 by x minus of 4y. Is it clear? So now you see which is the correct option. 2 by x cube plus 4 by x minus 4y. So that is the third option. So the third option is my correct option. Is it clear? So this is nothing but 2 by x cube plus 4 by x minus 4y. Okay. So with this, I'll close this class. So next class, inshallah, we will have some more questions from this derivative. Then I'll come to the next chapter from your matrices or any other chapter. Okay. Thank you.